Hello, this is James and I and Anna. We are at the trailhead for the KTK. We're about to attempt to do it in 24 hours.
Bloody pouring down, so windy.
It's not the best weather, yeah, it looks a little bit rough. We'll give it a crack, should be right. Any last words, Anna? So still in the first leg. James has got the bag now. We're just going around. Bit of a wet camera. But yeah, there's a view. Not too bad. Hi guys. We are still going. Almost in Yarling Up, which is about 14 k's in. Still
ahead of time.
And we're ahead of time, so
All the beams on the table.
doing decent so far. We'll see how it goes.
We just had to walk through an inlet. We got our feet wet.
Yeah. Soaked feet. We just crossed Smith's Beach and the river was flowing, which is fucking weird. It never does, so. But we come a decent way. That rock in the distance is Sugarloaf. I don't know how it's possible, but we just spent the last 25 minutes going uphill on this. We're down now, heading to Indie Dock Natural Spa, which will be about 21 k's in. First half marathon done. Feeling okay. Uphill, have my legs burning a bit, but we'll give it a good crack. See you soon. Still going. Repping the City hats. Come on. Just signed Harlem and winning the league. Well, seriously. We are on India Beach now. Not a bad little backdrop. One of these bloody love things. Pain in my ass. I don't know if you can hear a word I'm saying, but we're still going. Still undefeated. Let's go. First bit of real discomfort for the day. This is my right VMO. Muscle above my right knee is twinging, which is not the most fun. I think it just wants to cramp. I'm not going to let it. I'm going to say shush. But we're on the way to Queen Up Falls now. Just on these dirt tracks. Pain in the ass to walk on, but we're keeping plodding, we're keeping plodding. Rock campsite. I think we've officially done over a marathon now, and it feels horrible. We'll keep going.